You're watching Idiotic Ramblings with Life is Good. Come on.
So we took it down the road yesterday, and it is radical. Holy smokes. We get it quieting down a little bit. We'll take you guys for a ride because she is loud. We're going to work on securing these wires right here this morning. And I don't want to cut them off yet until I figure out what to do. Two of those are hot, so we're going to work on that and clean up some of this mess. And right now we're working on power windows because our AC is not fixed yet. So we're going to try and get a front end alignment done so I can drive around the block and get that EFI system tuned up. Dude, she's pretty radical. All right, so we're going to try to figure out these windows, get power windows working, because this truck was originally factory manual and we converted to electric, and so we got to figure all that crap out. Yes, sir. Okay, let's get on it. Well, today got a lot of the wiring finished up, so now we're doing interior. Get the dash pad on. Sorry, seat's in the way. Got the steering wheel ordered. It's coming. Dash pad turned out pretty nice. I had speakers up here, and this thing does not have speaker cutouts. And the dash pad would not fit with the speakers, so I'd take the speakers out, which I had all these bought just for. These are the old brackets, but these are all new speakers. And we got kick panel speakers to go in there as well. So we were going to have 4 up on the dash and 2 kick panels, and then the 2 6x9s back here in the back along with the sub box. But we're putting in sound deadening material and insulation. This truck's never had insulation. Got on the doors. Never had none of this fancy stuff. So we're putting the sound deadening in. Get ready to hang the door panel on this side. We got to cut the switch out for that. Not looking forward to that. And anyway, we're trying to knock it out. So yeah. Then after we get this on, we'll probably put the back wall carpet on. See, this truck was always just like this. Bare bone stock. So we got all new headliner, everything going in it. So let's go back to sound deadening. All right, there she is loaded up. Y'all go get the hood point, chrome put on it, and trim around the cab. And a little dispute on where the mirrors are. Body shop says I brought them home, but I did not bring them home. This thing is running rich, man. She needs, it's running like an old carbureted engine, so she needs to be driven. I can't drive it till I get the front end lined up. So anyway, let's go get the rest of the body put on. Got the back bumper put on it yesterday. I'm gonna take the back bumper back off when I have some help and cut the frame, kind of tuck it up in there. But there's where the factory stance is. So I'm gonna do a little nip and tuck action. All right, let's take our time. All right, so this truck is kicking my butt. Big time. Took a head exhaust put on it yesterday. Because finally got it running. Had a little short piece of pipe though, 2 cents in it. And the more I drove it, the worse this thing got. So I traded up and put the exhaust on it. And it ran, when I cranked it up out of the shop and put it on track, I could already tell it's starting to clear up, it's starting to run better. So I was excited to come home and fix my antifreeze leak I got right here at the firewall where the heater goes in the heater cord, and bleed that Hydro Boost power steering system because it's whining like crazy. But I'm not being able to run the truck to bleed it. So I was getting excited to come home and do that, and I went to crank it up. And it sounded rough on that starter. Get about 5 foot, she died because she still ran a little rough. And it wouldn't restart. I backed her in here. Come out here this morning, pulled the inspection plate down with. I thought, well, if it chewed the gears up on that flex plate, I was done. But I got the gears on the starter drive pretty good. And it got a little bit on the flex plate there, just on that outer edge. So I think the flex plate's gonna be fine. So, story is that when the this starter, which not this one, but the one like this one, it was a really old, come off that red truck. I burned it up on the 5 days I was trying to get this thing started. Burnt starter up. Bought this starter, and turned out it was wrong. It's just a tad, about an 1/8 inch shallower sprocket here. Sits further inside than this one does. And also when this one comes out, it's about another 1/8. So that makes all the difference in the world. So I'm fixing to hang this one. I paid $200 for this one. I got this for $125. I think this is gonna fit it. I'm fixing to put it up there. If I can engage more of the flex plate, then we're good. So yeah, so I had to drop the header, which is okay. It was leaking right here anyway. So got all that done, and now we're fixing to step it back up there, and that should fix that, you know. But holy smokes, what a job, man! I'm so tired of working on this truck. Really tired of it. Anyway, there's the update with that. Things kicking my butt, but it's working the bugs out of it, you know. A little bit of time, we'll get there.
I'm Tom Thumb from Pittstown, New Jersey. When I'm not working in the garden, I'm checking out Idiotic Ramblings on Life is Good. Come on!